My name is Adam Dewberry. I'm the Director of Finance for Young Life Camping. We have 35 camps across the United States and Canada. Each of those are unique and different and have their own stories and challenges and expertise level as far as the people doing the budgets. Vena presented the opportunity to keep all of the power of Excel and all of the knowledge we've gained in Excel over the years and leverage that into a new system, but added workflow capabilities and cloud database capabilities into that package. That was incredibly appealing to us. To be able to not have to start over, essentially, with all of our knowledge and learn a very specific skill set for a very specific tool, we could build on what we already had to make a better budget process for Young Life. And it just breaks down the barrier of the fear of budgeting for non-financial users. Vena has really been amazing in that capacity.